Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the video that will answer some of the most asked questions that I've had in the past few weeks, and also explain a few things that some people are wondering about. So, of course, if you've looked at my last video, I've reviewed the latest build of Windows 10, 17.101. That's Redstone 4 build, or some people call it the Spring Creators Update. We're not sure totally of the name yet. But basically, what's happening is that we are getting very, very close to the release of the new version of Windows 10. So if you looked at my video on the latest build, 17.101, one thing that I mentioned is that the build name, the build version has gone to 1803. 18 for the year, 03 for the month. That means March 2018. That means we are very close to a release. So when will everybody get that version? Okay, insiders, we expect to have it by the end of March, the official release. And everybody watching this channel right now that's not an insider, you guys will start having it early April to mid-April. Basically, it's going to start rolling out slowly, and if they see that the update goes well, they're going to expand and go faster. And basically, you will eventually, in a couple of days to a couple of weeks, some on the first day, some only a few months after, you'll get the insider. You'll get the build, the latest version of Windows 10. And like I always say, don't push it. Wait for it to arrive. It's the best thing you can do to have a smooth and problemless experience, basically. Also, what's skip ahead? Because some people are asking that. Well, this version that you see here on my computer, it says build 17604 on the bottom right. This is skip ahead. Skip ahead. When we get close to a release of a Windows version, what happens is that typically we get the possibility of, some insiders get the possibility to move on to the next version that will be September of 2018. So, a little more than 6 months from now. And basically, that is the next big version that will be this year. Skip ahead is close, so anybody that wants to be skip ahead, I believe you cannot really join anymore. So don't try to get that. But to answer the questions of some people, how to be an insider, first of all, I've got an insider channel. I'll be posting the link to the insider channel in the description below the video. That is where you will have much more detail about the insider program. So a couple of rules for those that want to join the insider program. First of all, you need to be good enough with computers to reinstall Windows 10 easily. Why? Because in the insider program, you're getting test builds. You're getting Windows versions that are not, fully functional, or that have issues. Sometimes issues we don't know about, and you will at some point have a problem. Running insider builds is not maybe we will have a problem at some point. Is you will have a problem at some point. Everybody has problems at some point with insider builds. It's part of testing out the software. So you got to be good enough to reinstall Windows 10 easily to be in the insider builds, first of all. Second rule, do not install an insider build on your main machine that